This is a very quick recording regarding a Moto E second generation. If you are trying to connect your phone directly to a desktop computer, I have XP software, okay, Service Pack 3. But anyway, if you have difficulty, you cannot connect it directly, go to apps. See apps up here? Go into apps and you see the word all. Okay? See media storage. Media storage is the app. See here, this little thing over here that says disabled? Make sure that it's not disabled. Okay, so if I tap media storage, you will see that it is not disabled. So make sure it's not disabled. And so when I made mine so it wasn't disabled, my Moto E second generation was recognized by XP software. Thank you.